In the deepest corners of East Ireland, an astonishing creature has just appeared. Let's take a look.
A P1 Subaru.
Developed by Subaru and Prodrive, this rare beast is only 1 out of 1,000 ever born. Only a handful of these beasts roam freely today. It's moving. Let's take a look.
Observe its unique plumage. The deep sonic blue coat, majestic 18-inch OZ racing wheels, and the unmistakable wing. Evolution perfected.
It feeds on fresh, unleaded and attention.
Thanks to the 𝗟𝗶𝘃 ECU and performance air filter, it now produces a mighty 301.8 brake horsepower, enough to outrun even the fiercest of competitors.
It's been documented multiple times in the wild, and it comes with hundreds of purebred paperwork. But now, one lucky human has the chance to adopt this rare creature. Head over to 𝗟𝗶𝘃𝗲 𝗗𝗿𝗄�competitions.com and grab your ticket for this rare beast for only $2.97.